What's up, crypto friends? Welcome to my channel. The channel is brand new and we're all not finished at this moment. This channel is all about the robot trading. Today, as an introduction, I will show and explain 3 running bots, and I will give you a first glance of the insane charts that I have developed over the years. We are really going to surf the waves. The journey from 5,000 to 1 million will start at the 1st of January 2025. On that time, I will explain the technique that I will apply and teach you in real life how the robot trading works. Today I will introduce you to running trading robots that we will follow until the 1st of January. They are not part of the journey. But I will explain the principle of the robot trading, and we will have a first quick look at the waves that we are surfing on that will navigate us through the cycles. During the journey I will teach you everything I know that I've learned the past 35 years. Not only about robot trading, but also about the graphs, indicators that I've built throughout the years, and the psychological part of the investing and trading. Your time investment will be minimal. I will issue a video every Sunday and once in a time an update during the week if the market conditions requires. Robot trading will take place on the Pionex platform, and because Pionex is restricted in some countries, also on the Tablet exchange. After creating an account, you can copy trade my bots on these exchanges. The links are in the description. Last but not least, it is important to know that bot trading is taking advantage of both rises and falls and the possibility to use leverage. Okay, let's dive then in the world of the bot trading. On the platform you can copy my trade with a few clicks and the bot is running. It's really very easy to do so. I've currently 3 running trades as an example. Trades that we will follow until the 1st of January when our journey will start. In the top you see the name and the time and the strategy the bot is running, the leverage that is used, and if it's a long or a short trade. On the row below you see the actual investment and the total profit or loss. Bot trading has 2 parts. The first part is the grid trading. And the grid trading, that's the steady income that is generated by the automatic trades that the robot performs 24 hours, 7 days a week. And the profits is normally between 1 and 2% per day. Yes, you understand it correctly. Between 1 and 2% per day. The other part, that's the profit or loss part that you make with the trade. And then at the bottom you see the additional margin and the estimated liquidation price. The additional margin is used to avoid liquidation and when the price is going to an unexpected direction. So if you look at the current trades that we are doing, the robot wave trader Ethereum strategy is at a loss. The Solana strategy is in a profit, and also the Doge strategy is in a profit. And you have to realize the Solana strategy and the Doge strategy are running now for 1 week. The Ethereum strategy is started yesterday. So, zooming in how the bot is generating the grid profits. To generate the grid profits we need price swings. The bigger the waves, the more grid profits are generated. And so when the current long trade, the bot takes automatically long positions if the price is going down and sells them when the price is going up. A slow and steady process that generates 1 to 2% per day with the right bot. Okay, so far the introduction to bot trading. Let's have a look at the charts that will be used to analyze the market to support the profit part of our trading strategy. Today I will show you some graphs that we will be watching during the journey to navigate us through these cycles. The most important part is that we will always look at multi time frames during the analysis. How longer the time frame, how more important the signal. Now I will slightly touch on some of the graphs. It is just a short introduction, so no full analysis yet. We are now looking at the Bitcoin chart. The right chart is the 3-month Bitcoin graph. Every bar represents 3 months. Do you now see what I meant by surfing the waves? Here's a sell signal. Poof. Here's a buy signal. Poof. Here's a sell signal. Here's a buy signal. These are the waves I'm talking about, and we are going to surf them. Also in the middle there's the monthly graph. Here again, bottom, check, bottom, check, top, check, top, check. And so that's important. And here's the weekly graph. More signals in the weekly graph, but also, and we will using them, but we will be more focusing on the monthly graph to be in the tops and to be in the bottoms. The daily chart is another important part to determine the ups and the downs in the market. Automatic trend lines, automatic pattern recognition with trigger values, targets and stop loss values, including historical rate statistics of the different targets. And last but not least, automatic divergence recognition of many indicators. Look at those positive and negative divergence signals. At the tops, at the top, at the top, at the bottom. And also here again the waves. Double confirmation of the bottoms and the tops. Have you ever seen this? These tools will help us enormously during our journey. And also the pattern recognition. You see here the bet pattern. Short, target, target 2, stop loss. Statistics. It's six times found in the past. 80% of the signals is correct. This kind of signals will really help us during our journey. And if you are not into robot trading, the weekly analysis will help you as a crypto investor to stay on the right side and make money. I will also touch weekly on the trends in the traditional markets, so that also in that area you stay ahead of the herd. This chart is also an important chart. Probably you've never seen it. This is a chart, the monthly chart about the Bitcoin dominance. Do you see here the divergence selling signal? It will be official when the monthly candle is closed at the end of the month. Based on the double top pattern that is formed here, the goal, the target is around 35%. So guys, this means that the altcoin season has just started. And this also fits in the parabolic phase of the 4-year Bitcoin cycle. Much more to follow during our journey. Don't forget the market analysis is used in this channel to step in and out robot trades. Of course, you could use the trend and signals for your own trading strategies. The robot trades are made for a longer time to gain as much as possible from the grid profits. Grid profits are profits generated by the trading bot. Typically return of my bots are between 1 and 2% per day. Don't worry if things went too quick. The coming weeks I will create some video tutorials with a link in the description. If you'd like the content and want to keep informed, click the thumbs up and hit the bell to subscribe. Talk to you in the next one, next Sunday.